after this. It's only going to get better. Here we go. You guys set? Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. There's a go tone. Another train song. You just can't get enough train on a Sunday. Ooh. Lots of oohs and ahs. We lost Aether and Rayfei on flags and gates right in front of our spectator area. Now they're going to try and recover their craft remotely. Obviously not safe to run out there and marshal themselves back on their way, but it's going to be down to 3. It looks like, wow, we just lost the Hawaiian Hammer. This is a gnarly heat. We're down to just one, JFPV, up and over that Northern Plains UAS test site hurdle. We'll be going to the top of the order after this, and I think we're going to have some interesting quad retrieval as well, because I am not sure where Aether is. 40 seconds remaining on the master race clock. That's Aether who's stuck in the wall. We're still hot, 25 seconds. But it's not Aether in the wall? Well, he might be on his lid. And there we are. This is going to be a long quad retrieval. Course is clear. This is the one that's in the wall. There is no heat 10 in this one, though. Oh, you need reruns? Yeah, but if someone affects his run, I would give him a rerun. We got 2 quads. One in the wall. Adrian, you want to pull up my DVR? So this is sketchy video. This is the Hawaiian Hammer, who's had sketchy video all day long. You can see his, no, this is a review. You want to put it on the live stream, bud? It's not working? What a day. There we go. No, that's just champs, yeah. All right, here we go. Now we're DVR reviewing. Glitchy, sketchy video blown up. This is Hawaiian Hammer. Now, he has had video issues. Obviously, we have multipathing, but he's had quad issues. That's why they powered up the last time. There he goes. Bump into the rafters, upside down, in the wall is where he is. He is in the wall. There. This is a live feed right now of the drone in the wall. I thought it was Aether that we lost in that one, but his looked just as gnarly. So quad retrieval. We're gonna hit finish.